After 7 hours by bus, we are finally in Amsterdam. I am TP and this is the TP TV, and welcome to the new video. So we're here and we're doing like a free tour. If you guys don't know what it is, like you go in a place that it's a lot of people over there, and a free tour. It's like you don't have to pay nothing. You can just pay tips, and it takes like 3 hours or 2.5 hours, something like that. And the person will show you and will tell you the history about the city or the country, and it's pretty cool because it's free, and you can pay like tips or whatever you want, like 5 euros or 10 euros, 20, as much as you want. So if you guys don't know that, it's pretty cool, and also it's really good to know the city and know the history and the best place as well. I want to tell you guys some fun facts about right here. I don't know if you guys knew that, but I thought that right here in Amsterdam it was legally marijuana, but it's illegally. Marijuana right here, it's illegally, but they just don't care about it, and they care more about heroin. So it's like they have coffee shop over here. You can buy, you can use, you can smoke, you can eat, but it's illegal. Actually, it's not legal, but they just don't care about it. As I was saying about the marijuana over here, it's like the coffee shop. If you don't know what coffee shop means, it's like a place that they sell drugs, but they actually pay taxes. Even right here it's legal. So, but as it's legal, they pay the double. It's like a normal person pays 21%, and the coffee shop pays 42%. So, yeah. If you are coming to Amsterdam, you have to take care of two things, and that is a pickpocket. That you have to take care. You have to take care of this in all of the world, but you also have to take care with the bicycle, because the people actually can run on you. It's I was like taking a picture, and like a woman punched me because I was like in the street and taking a photo, and she was with her bicycle. So if you are coming here, take care of this. And another thing is that when I was talking about the cycling right here, the bicycles, most of the bicycles doesn't have a brake. So probably, I'm not pretty sure, but probably it's because of that it's really dangerous right here. So you have to take care. Watch out. It's already dark. We went to the Van Gogh Museum, and we took like almost 4 hours inside over there. It's really amazing. If you wanna go there, you have to buy the tickets online, and you have to like buy early. For example, if you're coming here, oh shit. If you're coming here in like 2 weeks, you might buy right now. So go to them website and buy your ticket. It's not it's not that expensive. It's like 21 euros. We are already at the bus station, and oh no. And yeah, it's almost 2 a.m. and at 3 we are going to Belgium. So I'm gonna end up the video right here. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I am TP and this is TP TV. I see you in the next one. Hello.